Your automation isn't firing. Your new subscribers aren't showing up as active, and you're pretty sure you set up everything correctly. Welcome to the world of double opt-in confusion, and we're fixing it today along with 2 other mistakes that can wreck your email list, if you're not careful. Double opt-in and why your subscribers aren't showing up as active. Here's what's happening. Someone fills out your form, you see them in your subscriber list, but they're marked as unconfirmed, and your welcome automation never fires. What gives? By default, MailerLite has double opt-in enabled on all of your forms. This means that when someone submits your form, they get a confirmation email that they need to click before they're considered active. Until they click that link, they're stuck in an unconfirmed status, and that means automations won't trigger for them. And this is actually a good thing for deliverability. It confirms that people really want your emails and protects you from fake signups. But if you weren't expecting it, it can feel a little bit like something's broken. To check if double opt-in is in fact enabled, go to Forms, select your form, and look for the double opt-in toggle in the top right of your overview page. If it's on, new subscribers need to confirm before they're active. Now, if you're collecting subscribers through integrations or the API, like Zapier, Shopify, or a custom integration, there's a separate setting for that. Head to Account Settings and then Subscribe Settings and make sure double opt-in for API and integrations is toggled on. This ensures that anyone added through those connections also gets a confirmation email before becoming active. If you want to turn it off, you can toggle it off for that specific form. Just know that without double opt-in, you lose that extra layer of verification. And if you've got unconfirmed subscribers sitting in your list, you can find them by going to Subscribers, clicking the All Subscribers dropdown, and selecting Unconfirmed. The bottom line is that double opt-in is your friend, but only if you know it's there. Groups and segments, what's the difference? This is one topic that comes up a lot. When should you use a group? When should you use a segment? And here are a couple of things that could help to clear that up. Groups are static. Think of them like folders or tags. You manually add people to a group, or they join when they fill out a specific form. Examples of a group could be webinar attendees, VIP customers, newsletter subscribers, or something like that. Once someone's in a group, they stay there until you remove them. Segments, however, are dynamic. They automatically update based on conditions that you set, like opened an email in the last 30 days, or lives in California and clicked a specific link. Segments are constantly refreshing based on subscriber behavior. So for example, if someone opened an email in the last 30 days, they'd be in that segment automatically. If that same person goes for more than 30 days without opening an email, they'll be removed from that segment automatically. You'll want to use groups if you want to organize subscribers based on how they joined your list or a specific action that they took, like downloading a lead magnet, attending an event, or purchasing a product. If you want to import an email list, you can create a new group just for those that you've imported. Use segments when you want to target people based on ongoing behavior like engagement level, location, or custom field data that changes over time. Let's say you have a business creating courses. You'd create a group for everyone who bought course A. That's a one-time action. They're in and then they're done. But you'd create a segment for engaged students, people who've opened at least 3 emails in the last 14 days, because that changes week to week. This is one that kind of makes support teams cry. People accidentally marking all their subscribers as unsubscribed or deleted instead of just one or a few. Here's how it happens. You're on the subscribers page. You select a few people and you hit unsubscribe or delete. But if you're not careful, you might not realize that you've selected all subscribers or accidentally applied a bulk action to your entire list. The key is paying attention to what you have selected. When you're on the subscribers page, look at the top of the list and it'll show you how many subscribers are currently selected. Make absolutely sure that that's what you intend before hitting any bulk action buttons. If you do accidentally delete or unsubscribe people, reach out to support immediately. Depending on timing, they may be able to help you recover, but prevention is way easier than recovery. If you're doing bulk updates or deletions, export your list first as a backup. It takes like 30 seconds and could save you from a total disaster. Check out this video for a quick tutorial on how to do that. Here's a question that we get all the time. How do I update my billing information without messing everything up? The good news is that it's way simpler than you think, and you definitely won't lose any data. For most billing updates, like your company name, address, city, zip code, or state, you can change these anytime without canceling anything. Just head to your account settings, update the info, and then you're done. Your subscription stays active, your data stays intact, and nothing breaks. The one exception is changing your billing country. To do that, your account needs to be on the free plan. This means that you'll need to wait until your current billing cycle expires, and then you can update your country and resubscribe to your plan. Everything picks up right where you left off. All your subscribers, campaigns, and automations stay exactly as they are. The key thing to remember is that updating billing information doesn't delete anything or break your account. Even if you need to wait for your cycle to expire to change your country, all your work is still safe. You're just pausing payments temporarily, not erasing your account. And if you're ever unsure about a billing change, just reach out to support before making any moves. So those are the big topics for this month's office hours. We've got double opt-in confusion, groups versus segments, and not accidentally throwing out your entire list or canceling your plan unnecessarily. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And if we didn't cover your question, drop it in the comments below. Your question might be the next one that we tackle. And if you don't yet have a MailerLite account, then first of all, why did you watch this video? There is a free account link down in the description below. Grab it, start sending emails, and then come back with questions. I'll see you next time.